Protein is crucial for our bodies. It's like the bricks and mortar that build our cells, tissues, and organs. From our hair and nails to our muscles and bones, protein is involved in it all. It also helps in making enzymes and hormones that keep our bodies functioning smoothly. Without enough protein, our bodies wouldn't be able to repair themselves, fight off infections, or even maintain a healthy weight. That's why it's vital to include enough protein in our diets, no matter our age. But here's the thing, our protein needs change as we journey through life. A growing child needs a different amount of protein than an active adult or a senior citizen. Let's break down the protein needs for each age group and the best ways to meet them. Children are like little bundles of energy, constantly growing and developing. Protein is essential for building and repairing their tissues, supporting their rapid growth spurts, and fueling their active lifestyles. The amount of protein a child needs depends on their age, size, and activity level. Generally, younger children need proportionally more protein per pound of body weight than older children and adults. Good protein sources for children include milk and dairy products. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources of protein and calcium, crucial for strong bones. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. Lean meats and poultry, chicken, fish, and lean cuts of beef are good sources of protein and iron. Beans and lentils. These plant-based proteins are also rich in fiber, which aids digestion. As we transition into adulthood, our protein needs shift slightly. While we are no longer growing at the same rapid pace as children, we still require protein to maintain muscle mass, repair tissues, and support various bodily functions. Active adults, especially those involved in regular exercise or physically demanding jobs, may need more protein than less active individuals. Excellent protein sources for adults. Fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, beneficial for heart health. Poultry, chicken, and turkey are lean protein sources that can be enjoyed in various dishes. Beans and lentils. Versatile and affordable, beans and lentils are excellent plant-based protein sources. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds offer protein, healthy fats, and fiber. As we age, our bodies tend to lose muscle mass naturally. This process, known as sarcopenia, can lead to weakness, frailty, and an increased risk of falls. Adequate protein intake becomes even more critical during the senior years to help preserve muscle mass, maintain bone health, and support overall well-being. Seniors may benefit from spreading their protein intake evenly throughout the day rather than consuming a large portion at one meal. Good protein sources for seniors. Eggs, easy to eat and digest. Eggs are a great protein source for seniors. Greek yogurt. Higher in protein than regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium. Tofu. A versatile plant-based protein, tofu can be added to stir-fries, soups, or salads. Fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids can benefit both heart and brain health. Choosing a variety of protein sources from both animal and plant sources ensures we get a wide range of nutrients. Here's a quick look at some of the best protein sources for each age group. Children, milk, eggs, cheese, chicken, fish, beans, lentils. Adults, fish, poultry, beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, tofu, tempeh. Seniors, eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, fish, beans, lentils. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a registered dietitian or a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate protein intake for your individual needs and preferences. Section 6. Too much of a good thing. Potential risks of high protein intake. While protein is undoubtedly important, like most things in life, too much of it can be detrimental to our health. Consuming excessive amounts of protein for prolonged periods can strain our kidneys, especially if we have pre-existing kidney conditions. High-protein diets can also lead to dehydration if we don't drink enough water. Additionally, focusing too heavily on protein might mean we're missing out on other essential nutrients found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. It's crucial to consume protein in moderation and within the recommended range for our age and activity level. A balanced approach is key. Section 7. Special considerations, protein and specific health conditions. Certain health conditions may require adjustments to protein intake. For instance, individuals with kidney disease may need to limit their protein intake to reduce strain on their kidneys. People with liver disease might also require adjustments to their protein intake. A high-protein diet, particularly one high in purines found in some meats and seafood, can exacerbate gout symptoms. If you have any underlying health conditions, it's crucial to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine the appropriate protein intake for your specific needs. Section 8. Your personalized protein roadmap: consulting a dietitian. Determining the ideal protein intake for you can feel like navigating a maze. Factors like age, activity level, health conditions, and dietary preferences all come into play. That's where a registered dietitian can be your trusted guide. They can help you create a personalized protein plan that aligns with your individual needs and goals. They can also provide guidance on choosing healthy protein sources and incorporating them into delicious and satisfying meals. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to protein. Section 9. Protein power for life. A concluding note. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in our health throughout our lifespan. From building and repairing tissues to supporting immune function and maintaining a healthy weight, protein is involved in countless bodily processes. By understanding our individual protein needs and choosing a variety of healthy protein sources, we can harness the power of protein to live healthier, more vibrant lives at every age. Remember, moderation and balance are key, and when in doubt, don't hesitate to seek guidance from a qualified healthcare professional.